Welcome to our deep dive into one of the most intriguing controversies in the Slavic world today. Is Macedonian a distinct language or merely a dialect of Bulgarian? This debate isn't about linguistics. It's a matter of national identity and regional politics. Stick around as we unravel the complexities behind this significant Slavic controversy. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. Your opinion matters.
The controversy over whether Macedonian, as spoken in North Macedonia, is an independent language or a dialect of Bulgarian is rooted in historical, political, and linguistic disputes that have spanned over a century. Let's consider the historical background and the origins of the dispute. The controversy dates back to the 19th and early 20th centuries, a period marked by the formation of modern nation-states in the Balkans. At this time, Macedonia was under Ottoman rule, and the region became a contested area among the emerging nation-states of Serbia, Bulgaria, and Greece. The Slavic-speaking populations of Macedonia were claimed by both Bulgaria and Serbia, leading to conflicting national narratives and territorial claims. Historically, many Slavic speakers in what is now North Macedonia referred to their language as Bulgarian and identified themselves as Bulgarians. This perspective was supported by various ethnographic studies and census data from the period. However, a distinct Macedonian identity began to take shape by the late 19th and early 20th centuries, with intellectuals such as Georgi Pulevsky and Krista Musirkov advocating for the recognition of a separate Macedonian nation and language. After World War II, the Socialist Federal Republic of Yugoslavia, led by Josip Broz Tito, officially recognized Macedonian as a distinct language to bolster a unique Macedonian identity separate from Bulgaria and Serbia. The language was codified, and a standardized literary form was established in 1945. This period was crucial in the development and promotion of Macedonian as an independent language. First, we will examine the arguments from Bulgaria. Bulgaria argues that the Macedonian language is a regional dialect of Bulgarian, stemming from its historical roots and linguistic similarities. The Bulgarian Academy of Sciences maintains that the Macedonian language is essentially a variant of Bulgarian, based on Bulgarian dialects spoken in the western regions. Bulgarian authorities often emphasize that before 1945, the Slavic dialects spoken in the region of Macedonia were generally considered Bulgarian. They argue that the linguistic separation was a politically motivated act by Yugoslavia to distance the Macedonian identity from Bulgarian roots. However, Bulgaria's concerns extend beyond linguistic arguments. They worry that recognizing Macedonian as a separate language could encourage future territorial claims on southwestern Bulgaria, where similar dialects are spoken. Now let's take a look at the arguments from North Macedonia. North Macedonia claims that Macedonian is a fully independent language, with its own standardized grammar, vocabulary, and literary tradition that developed in the mid-20th century. The argument is based on the unique linguistic features and the codification efforts that distinguish Macedonian from Bulgarian. Macedonian scholars and politicians argue that their language has evolved separately from Bulgarian since the 19th century, pointing to the development of a distinct Macedonian literary tradition and the use of Macedonian in official and educational settings after World War II. While there is mutual intelligibility between Macedonian and Bulgarian, this does not automatically mean that one is a dialect of the other. Supporters of the independent status of Macedonian often point out that mutual intelligibility exists between many languages, such as Danish and Norwegian, without questioning their independence. So now let's explore the current status and political implications. The debate over the Macedonian language has significant political implications, particularly in the context of North Macedonia's accession to the European Union. Bulgaria has used the language issue as a point of contention, vetoing North Macedonia's EU accession talks unless the country acknowledges the Bulgarian roots of the Macedonian language. In response, North Macedonia insists on its linguistic independence and has sought support from other EU members to resolve the issue. Overall, the dispute over whether Macedonian is an independent language or a dialect of Bulgarian remains a complex issue, intertwined with questions of national identity, historical interpretation, and regional politics. The controversy is unlikely to be resolved purely on linguistic grounds, as it is deeply rooted in the broader socio-political context of the Balkans.
Now let's compare some Macedonian and Bulgarian sentences to see how similar or different they are.
Ова е моята книга.
Това е моята книга.
Јас сум дома.
Аз съм вкъщи.
Јас сакам кафе.
Аз искам кафе.
Времето е убаво денес.
Времето е хубаво днес.
Колку е часот?
Колко е часът?
Јас учам македонски.
Аз уча македонски.
Тој е мој пријател.
Той е мой приятел.
Таа чита книга.
Тя чете книга.
Ќе дојдам утре.
Ще дойда утре.
Каде живееш?
Къде живееш?
Многу ми е студено.
Много ми е студено.
Имаме состанок утре.
Имаме среща утре.
Тие играат фудбал.
Те играят футбол.
Мојот автомобил е нов.
Моята кола е нова.
Ќе го направам ова подоцна.
Ще го направя това по-късно.
Дали имаш сестра?
Имаш ли сестра?
Не разбирам што кажуваш.
Не разбирам какво казваш.
Now that you have seen the evidence and sentence comparisons, what do you think? Leave your opinions in the comments. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Are you interested in studying Slavic languages? Then give the Ling app a try. It has languages that other apps don't. Click on the link in the description to start your free trial today.